Redmi Note 6 Pro. We have taken things even further. It is a Note. We are bringing in our first quad camera setup to the country. Now the primary camera actually is comprising of a 12 megapixel high performance sensor. Along with that, there is a 5 megapixel depth sensor. For the first time on the Note series, you're using a wider f1.9 aperture. You are able to get clearer and sharper low light photographs than ever before. We've got AI scene detection. It detects different scenes and gives you the best possible image. It makes a whole lot of difference. So with the Note 6 Pro and Xiaomi's AI semantic segmentation, you get incredible portrait shots ready to go up on Instagram or any of your social channels at all times. With AI Portrait 2.0, what you get is you get adjustable bokeh. You get studio lighting and light trails. Let me talk about the two cameras up front, where you've got a 20 megapixel primary camera, and this is clubbed with a 2 megapixel depth sensor performance. The Redmi Note 6 Pro comes with this incredible Snapdragon 636. A Snapdragon 636 is a proven chipset. We've had chance to work with it, further refine it. So you get a 4000 mAh, 2-day battery life under heavy usage. And to go even further, now it supports Quick Charge 3.0. You get a 19:9 full screen display with notch. Now this is a much better, much more brighter display than any of our Notes till date. It does come with improved curved design. It's an aluminum build. The overall curvature has been increased so that you get a better hand feel. Let's look at all the four colors together. So you've got the red, you've got rose gold, you've got the all new blue, and of course the classic black.
On to our last part, the price. So for 4GB, 64GB, the price is going to be 13,999. And the price for 6GB, 64GB is going to be 15,999. This product is also going to be available across all our offline stores, including Me Preferred Partners and all the rural stores that we spoke about.